Alright, welcome to Step 4. This is when things get interesting and your strategy development takes on a new dimension. Now that you know where you want to go and what tools you have, you need to figure out which means match your goals most efficiently. Hold up, there's a simpler way to do that. Many people have different opinions about which digital channels are better for what. But opinions aren't facts. Identifying patterns and making sense of big data analyses of the efficacy of digital channels can take tons of research. The good news is, it's already been done, and we're about to show you the findings. Ready? Social media marketing has a very positive effect on branding goals. It's quite okay when it comes to awareness and relation, but it really shines when it comes to creating a feeling of community. Statistics show that when compared to other means, SMM doesn't do much for additional sales, such as repeat and cross-sell, but it can contribute significantly towards new sales. That's because social media marketing is particularly good at combating selective perception. If you use it right, social media can help you stick out from the noise through potential customers' friends or followees. Here's where that social clout comes into play. Display media's strengths lie in increasing awareness, and again leading new customers to make a purchase. It can also be used effectively through retargeting. To succeed with a new product or market segment, frequent exposure is necessary, at least if you want to make an impression. Don't forget you also have this to deal with. Repetition is the law of communication. Search is most effective when it comes to business goals, especially additional sales. SEM and SEO have good chances of converting customers that are further in the buying process, which makes them great for driving quality traffic. A site that acts as a hub in your digital ecosystem can fulfill most of your goals. Compared to other means, it's very effective towards relation goals, making people connect with a brand, as well as generating repeat or cross-sell. It can also play a role in generating new sales, as long as your site has sticky content. It's not that easy to convert a first-time visitor, but if you engage a customer with relevant content, they'll be more likely to come back. And the more they come back, the better the chances they will end up making a purchase. As the name implies, CRM is a means to improve the relationship with your customers, which in turn contributes to more sales within that consumer base. CRM can also promote new sales, not by raising awareness, but by generating leads. CRM and email marketing aren't typically seen as the sexiest of tools, but it's one of the channels that give companies the highest return of investment. The power of CRM and email marketing lies in allowing you to analyze patterns and get to know potential and existing customers better. This makes it possible to proactively engage your customers and personalize your content to tailor to individual preferences. And that sums it all up. The 5 means and 6 possible goals can be matched in a variety of ways. The essence of digital strategy development lies in finding the optimal matching between them. That is, achieving your maximum goal with the least resources in the shortest possible time. The trick is finding a balance between these 3 components. If you're wondering what's to be prioritized, it all depends on what weighs the most for you. The context in which your company finds itself should determine how you approach this. It all comes down to applying theory to reality. The more layers of reality you add to the picture, the sounder your strategy will be. How do you bring reality into the picture? Well, that's the next step.